Yeah, in this session we will see about the basic commands of Linux operating system. The commands are mv move a file or folder from one place to another place permanently, and system initialization. The major important commands of init process command, that is init space 6 for reboot. Now the latest version also we can also specify reboot. Similarly init 0, that is shutdown of the mission. This is the mission where we are using the latest version of Red Hat 8. We can straight away use the shutdown or init 0. They have given a facility to use earlier commands also. At present it's working on the present system. Kernel wise and the release wise distributions, they will update the commands as well. We'll see one by one by using start with the mv command. Let's start. Open your terminal here, and I want to show you a folder moving like one folder to another folder. Meanwhile, if I want to create a new name of the folder also, it can be possible to create like a renaming of the folder or file. And I have working with the directory, that the directory I want to move, right? Yeah, and create like mkdir. See, move me. My folder name is, directory name is move me. Yeah, now see here the move me directory is available here, right? Using the command of mv, if you want to use recursively move the from permanently, if it is any accessible, all you should know the particular directory which one you are moving, which is not relevant to any of the directory, or accessing files are available in that particular directory. Once if it is cleared with you, and you'll use the -r, and same wise here also source and destination. My source directory is move me. From move me to, I want to move this directory into, I will put it as a new move me. Okay, I'm moving from move me to new movie move me. Okay, now enter here. Yeah, so showing -r, it's not accessing here. Yeah, move the command source and destination, hit enter. Now here you will observe that there is a no folder of move me, and it is replaced with the move me is replaced with the new folder, what we the name we have appended here, new move me. And also we can test one more command here, that I'm again moving this folder here to as a name of the folder name is test, test. Let's check it. mv space move me, sorry, new move me, yeah, space test, hit enter. Check with the ls. No new move me right now. No folder is available in this structure, whereas test we have created, the test will be available. We need to find the test. See here above the temp, test is available. Also we can call it as the now mv command to move or rename command. Okay, and you can explore and elaborate. Many options are there for the move command as well as all the commands. This is the major functionality of that command. And the second one is init the 6, which is indicates, see here, reboot, the initiality of the process, that is the reboot. Now I want to you try to practice whenever you require to reboot your machine. You hit INIT space 6 or else use reboot and hit enter to restart the machine. Okay, now we will see here for the command of INIT 0. This is the process INIT 0. This is the command for using for shutdowning the machine. And the process of latest kernels are also accessing shutdown enter. Your machine will be automatically shut down. Alright, we learned by conclusion, we learned here move a directory or folder and init process of 0 for shutdown and 6 for reboot we have learned here. Hope you better understand. Thank you.